day and welcome back to mBenz Showroom, the ultimate show where we showcase Mercedes-Benz cars, especially on their features, the features that they have. Today we've got a W212. This is a 2011 model. Have you ever wondered, the P that you see just below the coffee cup? That P actually stands for Park Assist. And today I just want to take you through how it works. Now this particular one, it's not automated, and therefore you will have to follow the prompts that come up on the display screen, and from there you should be fine. So for those that still struggle with parallel parking, I know there's a lot of people that still struggle with parallel parking. This car comes in with that particular feature to help you park a lot easier. All right, so let's go for it. I've identified a spot for parking further down, although it's on the right hand side. I will start by showing you if you're parking on the driver's side, which is on the right hand side, like we're in South Africa, and therefore normally the system is designed to pick up the side on which you are governed to drive on. So in this case it will be on the left hand side, it will automatically pick it up. But in a case whereby the place where you want to try and park on the right hand side, then you need to put your indicator towards the right hand side, just to make the system understand which side you'd like to park. And then let's go for it. So we'll start by putting the indicator light on to just show the intention that we would like to park on the right hand side. You'll see the P sign that is just below the coffee cup, and all you need to do is just to come in slowly up until it shows you an arrow next to the P. So as you're coming slowly, the car scans to check if it will be able to pick up. So as you can see, the arrow to the right shows, it means that the system can confirm that this particular vehicle will be able to fit into the parking spot that's chosen. All right, so the next thing that you do once you've got the arrow is you engage the reverse button. The system will prompt you to check the vehicle surroundings to confirm with okay. Remember that you are still liable, and as a driver it is expected that you ensure that safety is always adhered to at all times. So I'll confirm with the OK button, and it will now prompt me to steer to the right. You'll see that the arrows, as you turn, they start filling up. Once you get a beep, then you stop, and then it will tell you drive backwards. Then I slowly release the brake, and in this case I will have to be the one that accelerates and puts on the brakes. You'll see once that arrow is filled, it will beep. Then I stop, and then it's asking me to swerve to the left. I turn to the left up until it's filled. Next beep, it says please drive backwards. Make sure that you keep your foot on the brake. Remember that you still have that obligation to just make sure that it is safe to do so. And then it says please steer to the right. And then drive forward. And then parking guidance finished. Okay, now in the second instance, I'm going to park from the left hand side of the traffic. So the same thing will happen, where I will drive towards the parking spot, and as I drive, the car will scan. And once it's able to pick up then the arrow comes around. Then for me to activate it is I will have to engage the reverse gear. As I engage the reverse gear, it will prompt me to confirm with OK. I click on OK, and then prompt me to drive backwards. Then I start driving backwards. You'll see the arrow starts filling up. Beep. And then again, it's done. Parking guidance is done. If we go out, then you'll pick up how the car has been able to fit itself within that spot.